There's $1 million opportunity hiding in plain sight and virtually nobody is talking about it. This video is for everyday normal people. No technical background, no design skills, no experience, nothing. The window on this opportunity is closing fast. And I say this in all of my videos. The early adopters are the ones who make the most amount of money. The people who move on this today are the ones who are going to look back in 5 years and say, thank God I made a move. Thank God I took massive action. That was the moment my entire life changed. Here's what's happening. Professional branding, the thing that separated serious businesses from everyone else, just became available to anybody. A logo, a complete brand identity, a website, business cards, social media content, stuff that used to cost $500 to $5,000. Now available in a single click, all done for you for pennies on the dollar. And I'm not talking about cookie cutter garbage. I'm talking about professionally designed images, logos, banners, everything that looks like a designer charged $50,000 to a Fortune 500 company to make. This is Design.com, the #1 logo company in the entire world. 4.7 stars on Trustpilot with over 3,000 reviews. They just dropped a new feature and this changes everything. You type in your business name and the AI designs an entire brand and that's it. Nothing else is required. I'm going to show you exactly how this works live on screen and then I'm going to show you 2 powerful ways to start making money from this today. So if you're ready, hit the like button, subscribe. Let's get into it. But real quick, guys, if you want to stay up to date on the latest and the greatest in AI trends, tools, and news, and how to make money with them as well, I run a completely free newsletter designed for normal people to start profiting from AI today. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description to join completely for free. Let's dive right in. So here we are inside of Design.com. Let's say we're building a brand completely from scratch, whether it's our own brand or whether it's a business that we're working with and we're helping build their brand or rebrand their business. So we're designing them a logo. We're starting with the simplest things first. Now, we contacted a restaurant through Facebook and we're working with this business and she wants us to help increase her brand awareness or redesign her brand entirely. The restaurant is called Geraldine's Corner. So in the box, we're going to type in their name, Geraldine's Corner. And that's it, guys. Type in the name and click generate. Look at this, guys. In literally 2 seconds, the AI just created dozens of professional, original logos specifically for this business. Look at the quality of these, the typography, the icons, the color palettes. And these are not recycled clip art. These are not generic outputs that 1,000 other businesses are using. These are custom AI generated designs that are commercially safe and ready to use right now. You literally can take any one of these and put it in a storefront tomorrow. You could put this on business cards, social media, websites, you name it. You can hand these logos to somebody and they would think that you paid a designer thousands of dollars for this. And look at this, guys. Look at how many pages there are. 300 pages. There's 1,000, 2,000 designs here. This is absolutely insane. Literally in 2 seconds, it created all of these logos that we can use. They're already professional. Let's choose the logo that I want to use. We're going to choose this one right here. Okay, now this brings us to the editing area. And there's a couple of different options here. Let me show you how powerful this is. There's the manual way of editing here, and Design.com makes it extremely easy for us to edit our logo. And there's also an AI chat editor built right in. It's basically like talking to your own personal designer. You just type what you want in plain English and it does it for you. Just like that. So let's say we want to change up the logo just a little bit. We want to make it perfect for the restaurant. So let's give it a prompt, something like this. Change the fork and spoon to knives and replace the chef's hat with a bunch of herbs. And let's see what it gives us. Perfect. Absolutely. That's so great. Wow. The AI did it instantly. In less than 5 seconds, it created our edits. No design skills, no dragging elements around, and no fighting with layers and fonts. You just tell it what you want, like you're talking to a designer, and it handles it instantly. The AI fully understands intent. It makes smart design decisions and applies the changes almost immediately. And that's it. You're done. Okay, here's where Design.com goes from impressive to absolutely insane. Once you download your logo, you unlock the full AI-powered design platform. And this is what separates Design.com from everything else on the market. Let me show you exactly what I mean. We're going to click download. Okay, so we've downloaded our logo. Now, check this out, guys. I click create new design and look at everything that it produces for us. Look at everything that's available. Websites, business cards, digital business cards, social media posts, stories, presentations, flyers, posters, menus, QR codes, letterheads. There are over 50 AI-powered design tools on this page alone. It created us our entire business marketing in one single click. Look at how fantastic this is. Never in the history of design across the internet, as I make this video, has this been possible. Now, the ones that I want you to pay attention to are the ones labeled AI right here. Watch what these do. The AI automatically generates a relevant copy based on your business name, your tagline, your keywords, and your industry. It pulls in relevant images. It uses relevant shapes and icons. And here's the best part. Everything automatically inherits the brand colors from the logo that you just created. Look at this, guys. This is absolutely insane. This is for mobile. Let's check out desktop. 100%. Yes, it's done. This is done in 10 seconds. How long did this take me? So I can't breathe. When was this possible, guys? 10 seconds is all it took me. I clicked the create a new design button and it gave us all of these. Check this out. Design.com has the AI part covered, but they also help you build a personal brand. They also help businesses that you're working with build a personal brand, because personal brand is what makes the most amount of money in 2026. Design.com is one platform, one click, your entire brand done. From logo to your full online presence, all powered by AI, all professionally designed, and all commercially safe. It's not just a logo creator, Design.com. It's an all-in-one AI design platform that builds your entire brand. Look at this, guys. What? Look at this. Letterheads, business cards, link in bio for Linktree, email signatures, Instagram. Look at this email signature. Fantastic. Again, you can bring any one of these designs inside of the editor. Any single one of these designs in the editor. So amazing. Look at this. I don't know. I can't believe this exists. Look at this, guys. Look at this website. It's already done for you in literally 10 seconds. Like, how much can you charge businesses for this? Oof, 2026, the future is here. Design.com they're absolutely crushing it. Here's the first way to start making money with Design.com. Start an AI branding agency. Now, there are millions of small businesses out there that need branding and cannot afford a designer. They need a logo. They need a website. They need business cards. They need social media graphics, the full package. And right now, they're either paying somebody $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 for all of this, or they're doing it themselves and it looks terrible. Let's take Bruno's Brothers Pizza, Deli and Bagels, for example. First of all, whoa, look at this pizza. Okay. Yes, fantastic. But look at their logo. Yeah, they need a new logo. They need branding. They need better pictures. They need better flyers. They need social media content. They need more, better, and new. All of it. This is where people live, is social media. If you're not relevant on social media, you're not getting any business, because this is where people live, guys. So if you take the time to scroll Instagram and Facebook, you will see millions of businesses that need your help, that need rebranding, that need logos and flyers and social media posts and videos and pictures and you name it. They need their ROI to basically skyrocket, because a lot of these restaurants are struggling, guys. The more presence you have on social media, the more business that you get. Period. It doesn't matter. The yellow pages they're not prevalent anymore. It doesn't matter. You can't put your restaurant on a billboard. You can't put your restaurant in flyers and put them underneath the windshield of cars. That works to a certain extent, but if you want to be relevant, if you want your business to succeed, you need to be on social media. And here's what I'm talking about. So with Design.com, you can create an entire brand package for a client in under an hour. A professional AI-generated logo, a website, business cards, AI-powered social media graphics, the whole thing. All professionally designed, all branded and matching. You can charge you know what? Before I tell you how much you can charge, let's actually go to this Facebook page. Let's take his logo and let's give him a new logo. Let's rebrand everything just as a demo. Here we go. So the name is Brother Bruno's Pizza, Deli and Bagels. Here's what we're going to do. Logo, restaurant. We're going to put the name in here. Create logo. Let's see what we're going to, you know what? I like this one right here. Let's go with that one. Again, remember we can edit it inside of this box, but for the sake of the demo, let's keep this the same and we're going to click download. Okay, so we're working on the Brother Bruno's Pizza whole rebranding package. Let's say they want to redo their entire business brand. We have the logo going on here. Now, remember that magic button at the top? Create new design. Let's click it. Here we go. And in real time, guys, it's creating us every single thing that we need for Brother Bruno's Pizza. Going down the list. Again, website, Facebook covers, Facebook posts, letterheads, link in bio, email signatures, Instagram stories, everything, even t-shirts. Whoa. Everything that we need for Bruno's Pizza, every single thing, presentations, digital business cards, flyers, Facebook profile pictures, posters, every single thing that we need. So in their case, their Facebook it's a little dull. So we need to spice it up. Here's what we're going to do. Let's click on social media and there's Facebook posts. The thing about advertising is the more touch points that you have with a customer and client, the more likely they are to buy from your specific business or restaurant. Pizza, especially pizza shop. There's 100 pizza shops in every city. And if you can be on the forefront of a person's mind, they're going to choose your pizza shop. Look at the Facebook posts here. So let's say Brother Bruno's Pizza needs a website. They don't have it. Design.com created it in 5 seconds. Now, you can always edit it if you want, or you can leave it how it is now. Let's check out the mobile. Whoa. Yes. Not complicated. Simple, easy. Something for somebody to understand at first glance. The more complicated your website is, the more chance that the customer is just gonna leave. They're not gonna want to stick around. Look at this. It's simple, it's colorful, it's animated, it's perfect. And it was made in 5 seconds with Design.com. Save your progress or you can publish immediately. For this type of service, you can charge anywhere from $500 to $2,000 per client for a full brand package. Your cost is Design.com subscription. That's it. You're not designing anything yourself. The AI is doing the heavy lifting. You're the middleman between the business owner who needs branding and the AI that creates it. 5 clients at $1,000 each, that's $5,000 a month. 10 clients, you're looking at a full-time income, working from your laptop, from anywhere in the world. Okay, now here's how to get clients. This is the most important part because without clients, none of this matters. Facebook groups. Find and join local business groups in your area. So for this demo, we're going to go with the restaurant owners. In the restaurant owner part of Facebook, 28,000 members, 45,000 members, 37,000 members, 90 posts a day. These groups are super, super active. Whenever you get in a group, a local business group, a restaurant group, or whatever niche or business that you're trying to help, post value, help people. Don't try to sell in the first message, guys. Nobody likes that. Give value first, let them come to you. There's a book called The Go-Giver that talks about this. Give massive value and let people come to you. You can also do it on Instagram. Search your city plus the type of business that you want to target. Restaurants, salons, dentists, plumbers, whatever. DM them with a free sample. Always, and I mean always lead with value. Always lead with something free. Create their logo in Design.com for free. Send it to them and say, I made this for you. No strings attached. If you like it, I can build out your full brand. The worst thing they can say is no, and every no gets you closer to a yes. That's just the law of averages. The second idea to make money with Design.com is branding businesses, and putting your services on websites like Fiverr and Upwork. Now, let's scroll this and let's check out some of the prices that people are charging. Check this out. $650, $125, $590, $1,840, $500. Let's click into some of these and see what they're actually charging for advanced packages. This is $1,840. Let's go back and let's click on this one right here. So for a basic package, they're starting at $590. Standard, $750. Premium, $2,500. Check out the delivery time. 21-day delivery. Nobody has time to wait that long, guys. Especially if you're charging $2,500, nobody wants to wait this long. We literally created an entire brand for a business in under 10 seconds with Design.com. Now, you can massively undercut the competition here. Let's say you charge $1,000 for an entire branding package. If you put, I can rebrand your entire business in less than a day, you will stand out for your competition and you will get massive amounts of business. Let's keep scrolling. Let me just show you how powerful this idea actually is. $600, $590, $390, $450. Here, let's click into this one. 6-day delivery, too long, $450, $900 for standard, $2,250 for premium. Again, there's that 21-day delivery time. Restaurants, businesses don't have time to wait for that. They want everything right now. This is the year and the age of give it to me right now. TikTok videos, YouTube, shorts, businesses, everything, Netflix, DoorDash, everything is right now. The quicker that you can deliver a service, the more people will pay and the more attention you can get, especially if you're creating an entire brand in less than 10 seconds. So here's how it works, guys. Use Design.com to create complete brand kits for specific industries. A restaurant brand kit, a fitness brand kit, a beauty salon brand kit. Post your services on websites like Fiverr and Upwork. The worst thing that can happen is you get a restaurant or a business contacting you on Fiverr saying, I don't want to pay $2,500. Will you accept $1,200? You now have a full-time AI business, guys. And most people on Fiverr are doing this manually, which is why they have a 21-day delivery time. They're using complicated programs like Canva and Photoshop. It's 2026. Nobody has time for that anymore. The people who are the fastest, the quickest, the early adopters, the ones who are able to work with businesses and make them massive amounts of ROI today are the ones who will completely control the economy when it comes to brands like this. All right, guys, the link to Design.com is in the description below. Click on it, try it out. You can start completely for free. Whether you want to build your own brand from scratch or start making money building brands for other people, this is the tool. It's the real deal. And one more time, if you want to stay up to date on the latest AI tools, trends, and news, and how to make money with them as well, I run a completely free newsletter that goes out once a week that's designed for normal people to finally start making money from the chaotic world of AI. I break it down in a simple step-by-step fashion for you to understand. Scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description right now to join completely for free. Alrighty, guys, hope you enjoyed the video and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.